Hi, I'm Nicholas Lopez, president of Bubble Bath Car Wash in San Antonio, Texas. And I'm here with Blue here today to talk to you a little bit about tips for back to school. So the first thing we're going to talk about is a quick and easy container to throw trash away in. So if you just take an easy cereal keeper container from Rubbermaid, place a bag inside, and then put the lid back on, you'll come up with a handy dandy, easy closable garbage keeper that your kids will enjoy. So when they've got stuff like yogurt and gum wrappers, they can all put in there, and then it'll safely stay until you can reach a garbage can. So the next thing we're going to look at is getting those crumbs out of seats. So if we pull the car seat out, notice that already 30% of the food that my daughter has left is still here on the seats. So if we take a regular cheap toothbrush, and as you know, we here at Bubble Bath love to use the toothpaste industry for all sorts of fun things in the car wash industry, we can just go ahead and scrub out the peanut butter crumbs, the pieces of other cookies, Cheetos, Doritos, whatever it is, and then we can come back with a vacuum and suck it all up. Now that we've got a little more space back here, we can also take time to put in some either silicone muffin tins or plastic muffin tins and go ahead and put them in our cup holders. That way, all the little treats and snacks and trash that gets put in the cup holders won't get locked in the cracks. And when you're ready to empty them, you can simply pull them out, toss them into the garbage can, and then throw the muffin tin into a dishwasher. In our final tip, we just wanted to talk a little bit about cleaning windows. As you can see, I already cleaned this window, and I did it while the window was already up. And as soon as I rolled it down, we've got what's left still under there, which is a nice ugly smudge line. So when you do your windows, make sure that you roll it down first. Go ahead and do that edge and get it nice and clean, and then roll your window up all the way and finish the rest of it. And that way you've got a fully clean, beautiful window. And now that I've showed you, I'm going to go ahead and clean my truck. Thanks for watching. If you have got any other questions, please comment in the section below. Please follow Bubble Bath Car Wash in San Antonio, Texas at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at BubbleBathCW. Thank you again for watching. It's been a pleasure. Love you guys.